Hello people, this is Urbanized Media. Welcome back again to my channel. So guys, today I am in Onitsha again, and this time around I am in Onitsha GRA to cover a video that was requested by a viewer in my previous video. And this video is about a 5-star hotel that is being constructed inside Onitsha GRA by an Onitsha based businessman, a billionaire actually, named Edison. And the name of this hotel, people call it Edison Hotel. Nobody knows the official name yet, but because of the owner, people refer to the hotel as Edison Hotel. When the construction of this hotel started, people were so happy. Onitsha people were happy that finally they will get a 5-star hotel that is befitting for this huge commercial city. Like for years now, a decent, amazing hotel has been lacking. Like hospitality has been dead in Onitsha for years, but of recent there has been hotels coming up, and this one should be among the biggest if it's completed, but now it's been abandoned. People are asking questions. Why should construction stop? And it's not just this hotel. There are 2 of these kind of hotels being built but now being abandoned inside this same Onitsha GRA. So I'm going to cover both of them today in this video. But before we continue, just do me well by subscribing to my channel and turning on the bell notification so that anytime I post a new video, you will always get notified. So guys, why I'm still covering Edison Hotel, which is one of the 2 hotels we're going to cover today, I want to say something about hospitality in Onitsha. Just pay attention. So over these years, there has been this illusion that Onitsha as a city does not have a big market for hospitality, and that's the reason why people don't build big hotels, 5-star hotels, decent hotels in Onitsha. But guess what? They are all wrong. Just recently, I embarked on a research and I ended up discovering that Onitsha has the most patronized hotel in Anambra State and one of the most patronized hotels in South-Eastern Nigeria. So many people will not believe this, but that's the fact, that's the reality. And what's the name of the hotel we're talking about? The name of the hotel is Supreme Hotel, that's located in Tretre, Onitsha. That's the hotel. And before they started building this hotel, so many people were doubting if they were going to make it. But guess what? Onitsha disappointed them. And there are even more to explore in hospitality in Onitsha. And this right here is the second abandoned hotel project in Onitsha GRA. This one is located just beside Onitsha Shopping Mall. A lot of people will know about this. If you have been visiting Onitsha Shopping Mall, you will always been seeing this building. You know, this nice structure just beside the end of the mall. You see the building. That's the hotel we are talking about. And as for this particular project, it was a PPP, private public partnership, between Anambra State government and some foreign investors. It was started during P2B's tenure. So when P2B stepped down and Willie took over, after some time, work stopped in this hotel. I don't know, nobody can tell why they stopped. If the investors, if they backed out, I don't know. Nobody can actually tell. If anybody knows the reason why this hotel project stopped, this particular one now, let the person tell us in the comment section. Let's know, because we don't know. I don't know. I myself, I don't know. These 2 hotels should be 5-star hotels on completion. Like, I am not even trying to hype anything here. If you have seen the structure, the massive compound and everything, you will just believe with me that these 2 hotels are 5 stars, and we need them to be completed for the sake of hospitality in our number 1 city in Anambra State, Onitsha. Onitsha deserves these hotels and even more. Like, the huge hospitality potentials of this city cannot be exhausted so easily. This city is massively populated. commercial activities, everything. And no matter the kind of hotel you put down here, there are people with the purchasing power that will always patronize it. But people don't know all these things. They think Onitsha is all about beer parlor, drink one bottle and all that. No! Go to GRA, go to 33, you see big boys, big men that are ready to spend their cash. But they don't have the places to go and spend them. That's the issue. So let's damn that mentality of Onitsha doesn't support hospitality or big hotels, all those kind of mentality. Let's just put them by the side and just give Onitsha what it needs and watch everything blossom. Onitsha is a commercial hospitality hub. We should know all these things. And to the state government, whatever is the reason why they stopped the construction of this hotel, they should just rethink. If they feel that they don't have the fund again, let them just hand it over to a private individual to develop it. Let them just find a way and complete that hotel. Like, it will complement that shopping mall. It will give that shopping mall a good complementation. Like, it's gonna be mad. It's gonna be mad. I don't know why these people are not seeing all these potentials. I don't know why they're not seeing them. Like, why are they dulling? Don't dull on Onitsha. Don't dull on us. And this is the view of the hotel from Onitsha Shopping Mall. If you're inside Onitsha Shopping Mall, this is the view of the hotel you are going to get. Quite amazing.